subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched 3 new smartphones under Note series in China called Redmi Note 13, Redmi Note 13 Pro, and Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. Among these 3, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is the higher variant, with more features and cool-looking design. Now let's see the specifications of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus smartphone. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus features a tall 6.67-inch 1.5K resolution curved AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and it has Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G610MC4 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 256 or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus sports a triple camera setup on the rear, that houses a 200-megapixel main camera, with f1.65 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 120-degree field of view, plus 2-megapixel macro lens, with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 120 watts super fast charging support, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 13, based on MIUI 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.4 by 74.2 by 8.9 millimeters, and it weighs around 204.5 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in midnight black, pearl white, and light dream space color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.